Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll cover this amazing lab. Simply have to click on Start Lab and wait for the lab to get started. Now from here, just right click and open the link incognito window. I'm opening the Google Sheet link. Okay. Now here it is getting signed in. If it is not signed in, you can use the lab credentials from here. Now what we have to do, we have to come to task number 1. First of all, wait for it. Click on I understand. Follow as I'm doing so that you are able to complete the lab without any issue. Now once the page is open, click on this blank spreadsheet. Come back again to the lab instruction. From here you can see this example part. Okay, you can add I think any address, but I'll recommend add this thing only. Remove this unwanted thing from here. You can paste it like this, or you can click on the A shell and paste it. Remove the dot, click on anywhere else, go to extension, and from here just click on app script. So task number 1 is successfully done over here. If you check the score, mostly you'll be getting the score without any issue. Now here app script is opened. Just copy this from here, replace entire content. We have to do one thing, that is we have to just copy the student email ID from here. This thing we have to do, replace from here to here, save it. Okay, I think there is no name mentioned. You can name any name over here, like, and just run it directly. It will ask for some permission. You have to review the permission over here and allow all the permission. So just wait for it to load, select all, come down, continue, and mostly here it will be done. Check the score for last task also, and this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe for more.